Hey everybody, it's Aubree and Duke, and this is the QT. She's tired. Alright, so she's hungry, so she definitely wants a pizza. So the first thing to do
is not get a pizza. They're out of personals.
They're out of what?
They're out of personal pizzas. Oh, they have these. Those are frozen chocolate balls with melted chocolate inside.
The things that are 69 cents?
Uh-huh.
Well, that's a good price
So
if you're on a budget. Wait, we don't know how much the airheads are.
So I'll get a couple of these. I'll get like 3 of these.
You want 3 of those?
Which that would only be like $1 something.
They have them?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so ordering the pizza. $5.19 is the price. That's what you want, cheese.
Where's the finish?
Well, no, I'm gonna get 2. Well, that's kind of weird. It's like dripping slower than usual. This is my big thumb. But it looks foamy. You want to taste it to make sure you like it? Uh-oh.
What?
Look at the drip. I think we're almost out. Here it comes. It must be low or something. I never had this happen where it runs out. Why don't you don't touch it? If you get that on you, it's going to be sticky. That's probably enough, don't you think?
Yeah.
So you got a big cup size. Just checking it, make sure you like it. It's good? I want 2. I'm getting a small. Here goes. Here comes mine. It's coming out a little bit better for me. Whoa. Okay, Aubree and I have discovered that the straws and cups here are noisy. She says this sounds like a clown horn. You know what I think it sounds like? Go fast. A turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Alright, that's enough. It's kind of getting annoying. But does it taste good? That's what's important.
It does sound like a turkey though.
It does taste like a turkey. But if you go slow, clown horn. Sounds like a nervous turkey.
Yeah, it does.
What are you so nervous about? What are you worried about? What do you think the turkey's problem is?
He's nervous waiting for the pizza.
He's really hungry? Or he's excited maybe. He's an excited turkey. You think turkeys eat pizza?
Maybe.
Probably not.
Please like and subscribe. Thanks.